Hello. Today is a very cold day. -12. That's without the wind chill. Hitting down to -20s with the wind chill. So very cold day. I'm somewhat protected from the wind right here. There's still some wind, but far less wind here than there is out in the open. What I'm going to do today is make myself a small little fire and cook some oatmeal out here. Just to have a warm meal out here is something to be savored for sure. Now out here I don't have a saw or an axe, so I just broke this off, and what I'm going to do is break this up and use this as a fire lay. It's pretty dead, so you can see it's easily broken, but even if I just put two together like this on top of the snow and ice, it's going to help big time for a fire lay. And I don't need a big fire to melt some snow and make a meal. Good thing about a cooking fire, I can use just little tree branches and such, and that's all I need. I don't need an axe to gather this material for a fire, because this here is all the wood that you need. I go up to about thumb size. Sometimes I'll go more, but a lot of times this is all you need. It's according to how long you're going to cook for, and that's going to determine how much wood you're going to need. I'm just going to keep collecting little branches and such as the snow melts and so on. Now that I've got my snow and I've got some wood here to make my tripod, that's what I'm going to do for this pot here, is just hanging over the fire with a tripod and a pot holder. So I'm just going to trim off these few branches. That'll do. And I'll use this as a pot holder. Everything's so cold it breaks rather easy. Now we'll lash this together, light our fire, and get our snow starting to melt. I didn't get fancy with this, but I don't need to. So I'm going to light this up before I put the tripod on. really windy, so Gotta bring this over and see if I can get this other stuff caught. Try to go on this side, get this lit too. All this wood is somewhat damp as well. So I'm going to let this burn down a little bit before I actually put the tripod over and put my pot on. The wood is damp. It was fighting me a little bit, but it's going now. What you got to worry about is the cordage is flammable, so you do not want your flames going up and licking your cordage, of course. This is basically just resting just above the firewood here and the fire, but should be good. Got to watch that. So what I'm going to do is take this lid off, and what I want to do is stir this. Oh, it's already melted actually, so I can put it back on. And add a little bit of snow. Oh yeah, she's bubbling pretty good there now. Plenty hot enough to put in my oatmeal. Just a couple pieces of dirt from the snow, but they've been boiled and such, so they should be fine. And now it's ready. Fire's just about burned out as well, so good to go. Now I have the luxury of having packages of oatmeal, where before I just bring out a baggie and such and cook it that way. But it's kind of a luxury. Plus it's apple cinnamon. That's going to be very nice out here in this cold. So that's all ready there now, and turned out really, really well. Gonna enjoy this, and just being out here using the old cook set, the old twine, knives and such, that's a lot of fun. Brings back memories. Want to thank you for watching. Take care. All the best.